Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today we're looking at Aldi's chocolate crisp. Now this is just granola, chocolate granola with white, and it's got dark chocolate in there. So what is so special about this cereal? Well, this is the 500 gram box, slightly more than Tesco's because theirs is actually a bit less. I think theirs is 400, but we're going to see the difference. So let's get this open now. Yeah, I've already poured myself some out there. That's actually what's in the cereal box. Quick look at that one. All right. So let's take a look. Right. Okay. So upon looking at the cereal, you'll note that there's bits of chocolate in there. Also white chocolate, which is why I got it. Let's put some milk on. God, this is Dairy Manor. This is actually from Liddell. I'm always running out of milk. Right, anyway. The first thing you'll note is that it's okay. What can I say? But if you've ever seen my video of the Tesco one, the Tesco one blows it away. I mean, the Tesco's £1.50. This was a respectable £1.25. However, it doesn't taste that great, guys. It's kind of like birdseed, can't I say? The Tesco is much better. The chocolate swirls on the Tesco and everything in the granola is much better. It's okay. Would I recommend it? No, I wouldn't. Not even for the amount, not even for... Then got a few boxes just to fill me up at lunchtime, but apart from that, not that great. So yeah, sorry, but I can't recommend it, guys. It's a cheap filler, but that is best. But thanks for watching. I think I'll show you what's on the side. Quick look at that one. Alright, guys. Let that zoom in. Alright, you guys be the judge. This is just my opinion on that as usual. Please like, subscribe, really helps me out. And I'll catch you soon.